While we are waiting for our dear KG1 performers, while they are looking for their numbers, would like to remind everybody that we are being telecast live at the Angels on High Montessori Facebook page. So if you haven't followed yet our Montessori School Facebook page, please do so you can share it to your family and friends that are not present with us here in Abu Dhabi. Alright. And my apologies, I forgot. Out of excitement, I have forgotten to introduce myself. My name is JC Tadike, and I have been the in-house host of Angels on High Montessori events, and it's my pleasure to be hosting today's recognition and graduation ceremony. I think we're all